No matter how well behaved they are, pets will find a way to make a mess of your upholstery. You can save yourself countless hours vacuuming fur from your carpet, cleaning slobber from your seats, and you can be sure that your upholstery and cargo areas are safe from scratches, rips, and tears by using a purpose-built protector from Cabin Crew. Made from a durable, embossed Oxford material and available in universal sizes, all Cabin Crew interior protectors are lightweight and easy to install in almost any type of vehicle. They're also easy to fold up and store when they're not in use. The entire range of protectors are waterproof, so you can be sure that any spills, drool, or other mishaps won't soak through to the upholstery fabric underneath. If you want to relegate your animal passenger to the boot or cargo space, then the Cabin Crew Pets Cargo Protector provides top-notch protection, while still allowing access to mounting points for leashes and pet restraints. It secures to your interior in multiple places, including the rear headsets, and features a fold-out protective flap that can prevent your tailgate from collecting hair or being scratched when your four-legged companion gets in and out. The back seat of your vehicle is a great place to stow your pet on journeys, as you can easily latch them into a seatbelt anchor. Cabin Crew offers a back seat protector to keep your rear seats free from any mess or damage. The protector attaches to your headrests with an adjustable strap and buckle, but still lets you access the seatbelts with ease. A hammock-style protector will also cover your rear seats, but offers protection for the back of your front seats as well. If you drive a two-seater or you'd prefer the company of your furry friend up front, then a front seat protector is the way to go. While still letting you strap your buddy in, the Cabin Crew single front seat protector is the way to go if you don't want to make a mess of your sports car or you can't bring yourself to put the dog in the back. To complement the upholstery protector and to ensure that your pet is safe and comfortable on any journey, there are a range of other accessories available. Be sure to equip your vehicle with a window vent to let the fresh air in without letting your four-legged friend out, and consider carrying a portable drink bottle and some waste bags for those pit stops. Cabin Crew also have a good range of pet harnesses that will secure them in place to keep them safe from injury and prevent them from distracting you while you drive. Before you embark on your next trip with your furry friend, keep your interior protected and your friend secure with Cabin Crew Pet Accessories, available from Supercheap Auto.